Welcome to another edition of Sarthi Snails to Bolts exercise regime for diabetes management. We are on day 5 today. In the last 4 days, we have concentrated on lower body, core, upper body, again on lower body, and we are moving back to core. Let's welcome Manish. Let's get going.
Are you ready to beat diabetes? So, are you ready for a change? Are you ready to sweat it out? 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. So today we'll start with a warm up. So as warm up is always important and essential. If you had did earlier session of our beginner level, you had seen we had did very light warm up also. So this will be because you had did for the month, more than month you had did all these exercises. Now you are doing this. So hope this warm up will be for next level of your exercises, which we will be showing further. Yeah? So let's start with the warm up. We will start from the head to toe. Slowly we will take all the body parts, we will mobilize it, loosen it. Yeah? Okay, let's start with the head. Up down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change left right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, side bend dynamically. 1, 2. Yeah, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we will do the front, back, up, back. Front, back. Got it? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Next one, alternate toe touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, 1, 2. इससे आपका groins mobilize होएगा, and it is very important to mobilize your groins before doing, because feet and groins are the ignored part. Yeah, relax. Next one, we will do the hip rotation. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, calf raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Next one, for your ankle, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left right, same leg. If you want, left right. If you want, take support 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. With another leg, we will do the rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. If you want to take support, please take it. Not any issue. Relax. दूसरा पैर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Next one we will do for the hamstring. We will loosen the hamstring muscle. Just you have to stand and bend down. Your knee should be locked and swing. We will show. Yes. Make sure your knee should be locked. Yeah, you start. Yeah, you just swinging the hand. Make sure you are getting the stretch in your hamstring. You are loosening the hamstring muscles. Yeah, relax. Next one, we will do few kicks. Front kick. 1, 2. आराम से करो. अगर आपसे नहीं होता है, कम होता है, चलेगा. इतना किया चलेगा. हाँ, कम किया तो भी चलेगा. बट लेग शुड बी स्ट्रेट. और पैर को टच करने के लिए अपने बॉडी को नीचे मत लेकर आओ. जस्ट दूसरे पैर का फ्रंट किक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch to another leg. Sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Spot jog. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, butt kick. You have to swing your hand. See his leg movement. He's trying to pull his leg behind and kicking behind as much as possible. Relax. Next one and the last one, we will do the high knee. Do it with the low intensity. First hold low intensity. Yeah, relax. Yes. इतना किया तो भी चलेगा. और जो थोड़ा और ऊपर फिर धीरे धीरे जितना, yes, इतना भी चलेगा. Don't do more than this. Yeah, you will do the relax. Okay, we are done with the warm up. Now we'll start with our workout. Thank you. Hello everyone. So we are back with our new set of co-workout. Hope you enjoyed earlier ones. All the workout, different form of workout, upper body, lower body, core. Yeah. So again we have come up with the core with our Mehzbin. Yeah. I don't think now you need an introduction again. Yeah. So let's see what she have in her mind for the first workout. Yeah. So ready? Yeah. She's always ready. Yeah. So the first workout she will do, just step front then back, front then back. Okay. One step front, one step back. Okay. एक स्टेप ही आगे लेना, एक स्टेप ही पीछे जाना. बस चेहरे पर ऐसे एकदम आराम से. जस्ट स्टेबल योर हिप. 1, 2. एक स्टेप गए ना, अभी पीछे ले लो. एक स्टेप आगे जाना, फिर पीछे ले लेना. लाइक दिस यू हैव टू कंटिन्यूसली डू. हाँ, बीच में लगेगा ब्रेक लेना. हाँ, उन लोग को ये भी दिखा रहा, ब्रेक बीच में. ready? So she is doing like you will be doing. So do it together. We will do it perfectly. Yeah, let's start. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12. Yeah, she took the break, so you can also take a break in between. She's showing how to take a break. Don't just fall down directly. Just start. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, relax, relax. That's great. Now we will do the next workout. So again we will do combination of two workouts. Plank, in the plank position we will do the jumping jacks and mountain climber both. How to do she will show. Yeah, twice she did mountain climber, then twice she is doing 2 times mountain climber and twice jumping jacks. Yes, let's start. 3, 2, start. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shoulder little ahead. Make sure form is correct, and it is always important to have a perfect form. Yeah. Mountain climber again. Yeah. Then jumping jack. Last 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, 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 relax. Now we will do cross knee to elbow touch. Yeah, in the plank position. How to do? हम लोगों ने पहले सेट्स में एक्सरसाइज में किया था नी टू एल्बो टच. Yeah, single side. We will do now cross. Yeah, show them how to do. With the single leg again. Again with the single leg. Cross, 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 cross. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes. 1, 2. Yeah, perfect. Relax. Yeah, hope you got it. How to do it? I shown you the horizontally, she showed the vertically. So form is. Hope you got the form. How to do it? If not, please do it together. You will come to know. Yeah. Let's start. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single leg she is doing. Single leg she is doing. She is repeating with the same leg. You also have to. Yeah. So we are working on the one side only. Then we will switch to other side. Yeah. Last 12 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, relax, relax. Yeah. So last 7 seconds we will do other leg. Yeah. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Take a break if you require in between. That's why she is showing. Because you will do. You will take your hip up and you will do it. That is not required. Doing in the correct form is more important. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, 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 relax. Yeah, that's great. So you did for the both the side. Yeah. Next one we will do. Just sit down, sit down. Now she will tap in and out her legs, but she will keep her hand just beside the hip. Yeah. Let's start. Yeah. Just show how to do. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Relax. This is how we are going to do. Yeah. Hope you got it. Last 5 seconds. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. अभी एक लास्ट एक्सरसाइज that we will do both pose hold. She will keep her hand little more ahead than previously. And she will just lift the leg and hold. So just 5 seconds. You have to relax. हाथ थोड़ा और आगे रखना. To get the time. हाँ. Yes. Perfect. Just show. Yes. Relax. Stop the music. We'll change the version. Okay. The next workout we will do the last and also the last one. What is that? We will do. We will go to the plank position and she will punch. How? Just you have to punch in the front. कोई नहीं है तो भी ऐसा सोचो कोई तो है. If not, you think I am there, so you have to keep punching me. Because मैंने बहुत वर्कआउट करा है. Yeah. Let's start. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. जितना जोर का पंच मार सकते हो सामने वाले को मारो. यस, दैट विल हेल्प यू टू कीप डूइंग इट मोर. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. दैट्स ग्रेट. हाँ, शी वॉज ट्राइंग टू. यस, उसको मौका मिलना चाहिए बस. हाँ, ओके, ग्रेट. होप यू गाइज एंजॉय. या, दिस वॉज द लास्ट वर्कआउट ऑफ द core. And we are done. Now, hope you enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe and press the bell notification. Thank you, Maz. See you for the cool down.
Bye.
As we finish our workout, it is always important to the cool down. As had explained earlier also, cool down is very important. Yeah. So we'll do the cool down also from your head to toe. We will show each exercise from head to toe will be 10 seconds, but you can do, if you have more time, you can do it for 20 to 30 seconds also. Yeah, this will make your body relaxed. You will feel like you can do all the workout again. Yeah, that is what the magic of the cool down or limb work. Yeah. Okay, let's start. Ready for the
Yes,
cool down?
yes.
Yeah. Let's start with the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. Yeah, perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One we will do for the triceps. Yes, have to pull down like this. Yes. The way he is doing. You will get the stretch here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, we will do side bend hold. Yeah? स्टैटिक साइड बेंड रहेगा, होल्ड रखेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, forward bend like this. आपके हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच करना है, आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. 1, 2, ये देखो, ये हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच कर रहा हूँ, तो आपको he is showing in the other direction. हिप को पीछे डायरेक्शन में एक है, तो आपके हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. Yes, relax. Now next one, go down in the center. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, he will show for the hip like this. In the lunges position but static, hold रखेंगे. आपके hip और glutes दोनों में stretch आएगा. heel ground पे touch नहीं रहेगा. अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट है, आगे वाला पैर 90 डिग्री है, पीछे वाला पैर भी एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. 4, 3, 2, 1. या दूसरे साइड करेंगे अभी. दूसरे साइड. 1, 2, अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट, नी 90 डिग्री, पीछे वाला पैर एक्सटेंड, हील डाउन टच नहीं है, रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट वन, फॉरवर्ड बेंड. हाथ ऐसे ऊपर लेंगे और नीचे जाएंगे. आप गो डाउन स्लोली. यस, नी लॉक है, लेग स्ट्रेट है, आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बस अगर कोई अपना फोरहेड नी को टच कर सकता है, वो भी कर सकते हैं. रिलैक्स. अभी एक बैक के लिए करेंगे. गो बैक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. आप लोग जितना कर सकते हैं उतना ही करना. रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट वन, वी विल डू वन फॉर द ग्लूट्स. पैर ऐसे करेंगे और सिट डाउन, जितना भी नीचे बैठ सकते. परफेक्ट. 1, 2. एक जगह पे देखो तो आपका कंसंट्रेट करोगे ना एक जगह पे तो आपका हो जाएगा. 5, 4, 3, 2. अभी दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे. विल डू फॉर द अनदर लेग. स्टार्ट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. One we will do for the groin. Sit down like this and just stretch. आपके एल्बो से थाइस को बाहर की तरफ पुश करना है. 1, 2. You will feel the stretch in your groin. Groins मतलब ये part. Just you will feel the stretch there. Relax. That is most ignored part while doing any of the workout. Either warm up, cool down. So we had purposely included in our program. One we will do for the quads. We will just lift it. Again, आप एक जगह पे देखो, नहीं होता है तो आप बैलेंस ले सकते हो, दीवार से चलेगा. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, we will do Trikonasana. क्रॉस ट्राइंगल पोज. परफेक्ट. ऊपर देखना है स्काई पे. यस, आप घर में कर रहे हो तो सीलिंग पे देखिए. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax. Next one, we will do few sitting exercises. Sitting stretches. यहाँ पे बैठ जाओ, आपका पैर इधर आएगा. Perfect. अभी just both the legs straight. Perfect. Just bend down, forward bend. Again, आपका जो ये पैर है, ये जितना ग्राउंड की तरफ रहेगा उतना अच्छा है. या 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. रिलैक्स. या बटरफ्लाई. थोड़ा मैट पे आ जाओ. हाँ, yes, चलेगा. Now just swing it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. एक कैट कैमल करेंगे. कैट कैमल. जस्ट आर्च. देखिए कैसे आर्च कर रहे हैं. यस. देन अगेन 2, 4 to 5 टाइम. यस, बट डू इट वेरी स्लोली. दिस इज फॉर रिलैक्सिंग योर बैक. दिस इज वेरी गुड फॉर योर बैक. यस, सो यू मस्ट डू इट. Relax. Next one, you will sit in the Vajrasan. Sit. Yeah. Just press your body. Yes. Just sit down for 10 to 20 seconds. हम लोग 10 सेकेंड के लिए ही करेंगे. Relax. Come up. The last one we will do with the breathing exercise. Inhale up करेंगे और exhale down करेंगे. We will show. Inhale up मतलब वो सांस अंदर लेके ऊपर जा रहे हैं और सांस छोड़ेंगे तो नीचे आ रहे हैं. Very slowly with his breathing rhythm. उनका हाथ भी ऊपर जा रहा है और breathing rhythm से ही जैसे exhale कर रहे हैं डाउन हो रहे हैं. Inhale ले रहे हैं तो ऊपर, exhale तो down. Relax. Hope you enjoyed the session. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it for more updates. We will keep posting many more videos for you and many other elements also. Yeah. Thank you.